Justice Minister Ziyambi has sparked outrage among educators after suggesting that the $280 monthly salary earned by teachers and other civil servants is sufficient, claiming the economy is stable and prices have not risen enough to justify a salary review. Sabida mashoko buda pangwa inoi wonokonzi aiwa Ziyambi overa hombe pangwa inoi ati aiwa mari iri kutambirwa nevarairidzi panguva ino yakakwana ndobva subscribe like watonga bell icon. Timi amuna brand vanchinzi. Responding to questions in parliament this week, Ziyambi dismissed the need for a cost of living adjustment (COLA), saying there has been no significant price increase in the country and that the new Zimbabwe gold ZIC currency is holding firm, in quotes. Perhaps let me preface by saying that there has not been a general increase in prices in this country. Statistics that we have on inflation do not indicate that, said Ziyambi. Even our currency is very stable. The prices have largely not risen to levels that we can say indicate that we need a cost of living adjustment, he added. His comments have been widely interpreted as a mockery of struggling teachers and civil servants, many of whom are barely surviving on paltry wages that have not kept up with the real cost of living. Labor unions and public sector workers, including teachers and nurses, have repeatedly called on the government to urgently revise salaries, citing soaring prices of food, transport, rent, and other basic essentials. Ziyambi noted that salary talks are continuing under the tripartite negotiation forum (TNF), which brings together government, business, labor, but unions say they are tired of endless talks with no meaningful action. The minister's comments have further deepened the rift between civil servants and the state, with some educators threatening industrial action if the government continues to downplay their grievances. Domashkwana mudanyo panapa nana Ziyambi vachitaura mashoko ekuti aiwa mari dziri kutambirwa dzakatokwana but kuri kunokonzwa varaidzi aiwa vari kustrugula nemamwe macivil servants. Tiudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe, like, chotodza bell icon.